He is farmer Irfan. His name has a deep effect on his personality. He is an intelligent, well-informed, hard-working and a mindful farmer. This year, many farmers from his village are worried due to the current climate crisis that has caused unseasonal rainfall and unexpectedly high temperatures, leading to lower crop yields and an incurred huge loss. However, due to his wisdom, farmer Irfan was able to get a bumper yield this year. When other farmers found this out, they approached him and asked, "What is the secret to this success?" He replied,
"The SAWiE app." The SAWiE app? Yes. It is a mobile application that guides farmers from soil preparation to crop harvesting and management. You enter your farm location and crop type into the app, and it provides you with real-time information about your crop health status. It gives advice about seed selection, optimum time of sowing, fertilizer recommendations, and its time and method of application. SAWiE issues weather alerts to farmers and informs farmers about pest scouting and disease threats, identification and control measures. That is how I was able to minimize my crop loss and increase productivity.
Due to his success, other farmers have started to use the SAWiE app. This is because the SAWiE app provides satellite data to them with unbiased and reliable information about their crop and their farm, which is unique to them. Added to this, the app also provides information about certain crop types, crop diseases and pests. Farmer Irfan's brilliance became a source to his success and inspiration for his fellow villagers. You too should think wisely and protect your crops and brighter future for your family. Please download the SAWiE app and take advantage of the research.